Hi guys! For today's video, I am super excited because I'm going to do another video that's not a part of the Master Beginner Makeup series here on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be filming this probably the week before the Super Bowl, but I'm going to be posting this video this Super Bowl day. So we are going to be I was inspired to create a makeup look for the Super Bowl, Rams inspired makeup look. So we're actually going to create the logo, the Rams logo, for our makeup look today. So this is what it looks like. Well, I don't know. Yeah, there we go. That's what it'll look like. So let's get started. I already have my base on and then one eyebrow done. We are going to actually be doing like the blue part of the logo on the brow. Let's get started. So I'm going to use the Graftobian Creme Wheel. This is the bald cap one. I'm just going to take the middle shade. I really don't know what brush I should use for this. Oh, here, okay. So I'm going to take first, and I'm going to take my pencil brush from Old Fashioned, and I'm just going to pick some of the paint up. I'm first going to brush up the brows, and then we're just going to like outline the brow with this pencil brush. I was thinking about blocking out my eyebrows, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so now we're going to create the yellow line. I'm going to take the same paint wheel, and we're going to use the Trauma palette, or color wheel. I'm going to take the yellow shade. So I first want to start kind of like right here, and then I want to bring it around the eye. So I'm just going to first create little dots. So I'm going to start one here. And that's good. And then I'm going to start connecting them. So now I have the outline, and now I'm going to fill it in. There's some blue in this. That is done. I think I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to just take a little bit of it off. Oh, that was too much. Okay, I like how this is turning out. I kind of fixed it a little bit. It's looking a lot better. Now we're going to go back to the blue, and on this side we are going to write LA. So I'm going to take this blue again with the Graftobian paint. So I want to write this in reverse. It's going to be kind of hard, but let's see. Maybe I need to move it a little bit this way. Okay, so I did the LA a little bit better. I think I like it there. But now I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue liner. I'm going to line the upper lash line on this side. Actually, let's set the paint first. For setting this side, I'm just going to take kind of like a fluffy small brush like this one from K-Beauty, and I'm just going to use my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage powder foundation. This is the classic Ivory one, and I'm just going to lightly press on the paint. Then for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use a fluffy brush to set it. And just kind of sweep it over. Or pat, actually. Okay, so I had an idea for the yellow part. I'm going to outline it a little bit in blue, just because it's not so visible. So I'm just going to do a really thin line. I'm going to use the Echo Tools Detailed Liner Brush. I'm just going to lightly paint a line around the yellow. I'm actually going to do it a little bit thicker on the lid area. And what I can do is I'm actually going to kind of, in places that are a little bit thicker, I'm going to use a makeup wipe to kind of thin it out a little bit. Okay, for lashes, I'm going to use the QC Makeup Academy Wispy lashes. Okay, one pair of lashes are on. It took me a long time to put them on. Or one side of the lash, actually. Now we're going to do, let's see, where should I put this? Eye look on this side. So first I'm going to start by putting on my Burt's Bees eyeshadow primer. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to take, I don't have a similar shade to the blue, so, I mean, all I have is this one and this one, but I like the two purples. Okay, so I'm going to take Silk Cream, which is this one here, and that's going to be my transition shade. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush and just blend Silk Cream a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to actually use the blue that we used for the brow. And I'm going to take my concealer brush. And I'm just going to place this in the outer and inner corner of the eye. I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation and set the blue. Now with my fingers, I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to take, let's take Faint. I'm going to take Faint and apply this to the inner part of the lid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blend Faint a little bit. Off camera really quick, I'm going to line the lashes, line the upper lash line, and put on some false lashes, or the other lash, and then we'll be right back. Now I'm going to apply my Colorpop Creme Gel liner in the color Peach Fuzz. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara and apply this to the lower lashes. Okay, that was it for today's video. I'll see you guys on Monday for another video. Bye!